Hello people, welcome to this channel, and I hope all are doing fine and all are well and all are good, all are wealthy. Okay, let's start this video. Okay, so in this video I'm teaching you about how to use this stop command. So top command is basically, let's say you are a Windows user. Okay, let's open the task manager. Yeah, you see there is a process running, and there is many process running, and you can see the performance, you can see the CPU, and you can see the memories, and you can see the disk, and you can see the what Wi-Fi which I am connected to, and you can see the what graphics. This is my system graphic, this is my external graphic, that will NVIDIA, and you can see all the processes like this. Okay, let's close this. So top command is totally same. Okay, it's totally same. If I press enter, then you can see the commands. So see that this is uptime, I guess, or maybe it is of uptime. Yeah, up to 24 minutes. Okay, it's up 24 minutes. So this system, like this operating system, I mean this Parrot OS operating system, is up from 44 minutes. It's been 44 minutes. The system has been up. So there is 185 total task is running, and total tasks are running, and one is running, and 184 are sleeping. Two are running, and it's like what real time monitoring screen. You can see that. So you can see all the process IDs and the process which is running, and you can see the CPU utilization, and you can see the monitor utilization, and you can see the memory usage, like what they're totally like this much memory and this much is free. There is total this much memory, and there is no swap memory. Swap memory is basically, let's say that you have a 6 GB RAM, then let's say that you are using heavy like you are using more processor than 6 GB RAM. Okay, so what this swap memories does, let me give swap memory as a 2 GB. If you give to swap memory as a 2 GB, if you give 6 GB as a normal memory, like a normal RAM memory, then if this memory fills, then it will store all the cache to this swap memory, so that it will get freed up. Okay, let's say that there is 2 GB of cache, then there is no space, then it will shift the cache to this swap memory. So this swap memory will be keeping the cache, cache, not cache, cache memory. Then it will get a 2 GB of free memory, then it will work faster. It can do many operations. Okay, let's say that this UI is not so good, right? Like it's not that like it's not that human readable. Let's say that you need something more. You can, there is one more tool you can use it. Sudo apt get it stop. So this is basically same as sudo apt, not get, it's install htstop. So htstop is basically, if you use htstop, it will display in like it's more like a human readable format. So you can see that in the top it's like messy, right? It's like it's all filled up in the width of what terminal screen, but in the top it will not fill up. It will be like easy to understand, easy to read. So it's saying that it has a 4 process, so zero cores, like four cores, 0 1 2 3, and one core is filling up, getting filled, and the other cores are like, it's like a real time monitoring. And in the first RAM, like I have a 6 GB of RAM, something like that, and 706 is totally filled. And the swap memory, I don't have a swap memory, and there is task 77 task, and one is running, and load average of 0.6, uptime and like 47, like in the last I showed you, like there is a 44 minutes uptime. And you can see the process ID. It is same like a top command. It's like it's like not a command, it's like a tool. Okay, top is like a tool, so you can use to monitor the real time what usage of your system. Okay, htstop is similar to top, but it will give in a what good, like it will give in a good what UI, or you can say UI or a structure, so that you can clearly understand how your RAM and how your system is getting utilized. Okay, so if you come back, and if you check top command help, you will get help, I guess. Yeah, maybe, yeah, there is top. You can also use this top command. Okay, that is what the use of top command. And let's say top minus t and 5, so it will display, so like it will you can specify the fresh interval in seconds, like 5 seconds, 10 seconds, like that. It will wait for the 5 seconds, then it will display after the 5 seconds. Let's say 1 2 3 4 5. After 5 it will refresh. Okay, let's say 1 2 3 4 5. After 5 seconds it will automatically refresh. That is how it works. -d will works. Okay, see, after 5 seconds it is displaying. I guess I am doing 5 seconds count faster, so it is taking 5 seconds. Yeah, see. Okay, the next thing you can use is that, in like let's say that you don't need to monitor, you need to record it, something like that. You can also do like for 1 second, you can also do output.txt and store that output. So you can do cat output.txt, and you can see all the CPU will be stored in all the CPU utilization, all the system configuration, not system configuration, system utilization will be stored in the output.txt. And you can also use top and version to see the version, I guess. You can use man for, yeah, it has a man. So to display Linux processes, you can use top, and you can use many arguments, I guess. There is many arguments. Maybe it does not contain any arguments, I guess. Yeah, it is there arguments. V for showing library version, and B for batch operations, and the C for command line, like that. Delay time, like there is many arguments that you can just explore it. So okay, so that is all up, guys, and thank you for watching, and bye.